Look at that beautiful yogurt. See, that's the whey on top. And that's what will actually be draining. All of this will be turned into cream cheese. This is yogurt, and it's not even all of the yogurt that Rob made yesterday.
This jar will make it half.
So, anyway, how many jars of yogurt?
We did 8.
We did 8 jars.
This is the 4th jar I'm pouring into here.
And your hand's right in my way. Yeah, and it tastes good. It's homemade yogurt. The whey is dripping out of the colander. The yogurt has shrunk down, and now it's it's still real wet. See? And it's still gonna drip fluid and whey. But I wanted to show you how much we actually, here's the whey. Remember, we only had a little bit in the bowl earlier. So now I'm gonna put it over here so it can drain better. And we'll be hanging it pretty soon.
Okay. Today is taking out the bag you see hanging there, which is now cream cheese. It's probably pretty thick. We got more. You can see the whey down in the bottom draining through. It's probably pretty solid now. Yeah, it doesn't poke in hardly at all. So today we're taking this out of here and we're putting the cream cheese into a different kind of packaging. So we'll see you a little later. Okay. Now I unhooked all the little things tying it up. And there's what cheese looks like opening her up. Most of the whey is gone. That's why it holds its shape so nice. See? Some stuck on it here. Try it. Yep. Wow. Now that's cream cheese. We strain the whey for a day out here, or half a day out here. We put it in the ice box and been sitting in there 2 days. So now we're going to pack it in a jar and try to keep any air out.
And how much whey, Rob? Oh,
we got 1, 2 out of, can't remember if I put in 4 jars or 3 jars.
4.
But 4, so we got 1, 2, and that.
We'll be shaping the cream cheese into a mold and maybe cut it down to size. But as you can tell, the cream cheese, with all the whey removed from the yogurt, that is what makes cream cheese. And it takes a whole lot more milk to make a small amount of cream cheese. So it takes a lot of milk to make
look, out of 4 jars,
cream cheese.
There's 1, 2, 3 jars of whey.
Yeah, 3 jars of whey.
Not full, but 2 full quarts in the thing. And this is maybe a quart. And it's going to be a little over this of what's left.
Yeah. So just press it on down. We're going to let that age for another week in the fridge. And then we'll do the final shaping of the cream cheese. Hello, everybody. This morning, we're going to check out the cream cheese. I wanted to show you the final result here and let you know that it did take almost 12 quarts of yogurt to make the cream cheese. And we have like 2 bottles left, which we'll be making a couple of more things of yogurt. And have that for later. But right now, this is the container, and it is filled with cream cheese. This is going to be so yummy with crackers or flavored with spicy jelly, like the jalapeno jelly, something like that would be delicious. Anything you want to use cream cheese for, you can. And so this is what's super nice. Let me get a spoon and show you. It tends to be a bit less firm than the store-bought cream cheese. We didn't have a great way to press all the liquid out. But as you can see, it's not falling off the spoon. So it's doing good. I can shake it. And it's maybe starting to slide a little bit, but it's taking some good shaking going on here. So here you go. And it's delicious. It really is. It's so worth making. And you know what your ingredients are. You use your milk to make your yogurt. We used plain yogurt to add to the milk. Then from that, we did our off-grid style yogurt making by putting it in an ice chest with warm water. And then we let it sit and drain all the way off after 24 hours or the next day, and let it hang for a couple of days to get as much liquid out as possible. And that is the whey that comes up from the milk and from making yogurt. And the whey can be used for other things. So that's what I'm excited about, is we got cream cheese. And I'll be making ricotta cheese later.